Hello guys, good evening. I'm coming to here see how the Boro people are fishing fish with the net. Koi food dong beji ala ada? Koi food dong? Beji andang, pasini na? Look guys, Boro people are collecting fish with the net at this Lauti river. And another people are also, Adivasi people are also collecting fish at this Lauti river. And at this time the weather is very lovely and clear, and I'm really enjoying at this time. And this Lauti river is located in Sirang district. Gaya masih gaya? Nothing fish happen guys, look. I thought that he will get lot of fish from this river, but nothing fish happen in the zal. Zal means in our Boro language it is called manu Malaysia na ze. Wow, that means net, and it is called in English language net. Look guys, they all are collecting fish with the different types of style. Look guys, how they are collecting fish. Look guys, look. Ki pasi lagaise naki? Ulubo nai tomar phao nai. Look guys, how he is collecting fish with the help of pasi. That means net. With the help of net, they are collecting fish lot of. Pasi lagaise? Wow. Wow, I'm enjoying at this time guys, at this Lauti river. Look, so many Boro people are collecting fish with the net. Look guys, and at this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys. And if you want to visit at this place, then come and see. Anyway guys, thank you till then.